Hi, I'm John Shyloski. I'll be your instructor for my Mixing Master course designed for up-and-coming engineers. This is a great opportunity to learn my techniques firsthand. I will walk you through a mix, learning tips and techniques from my 20 years experience as a Grammy nominee and award-winning engineer. We'll walk through a mix one-on-one, starting with getting your tracks organized and laid out, any editing that needs to be done, and vocal tuning. We can work on one of the sessions that we've done here at Factory Underground, or we can work on one of your own. We'll cover EQ, compression, vocal tone, reverb delays, and other effects. We'll also learn how to work with background vocals, and then most of all, we'll learn how automation can make your mix shine. What you'll need for the course is Pro Tools, Auto-Tune, which we'll be using in graphic mode, or Melodyne. To sign up, visit us at factoryundergroundtech.com.